So hey everyone, this is Yong256. With me everything is possible. Today I'm going to give you a total solution of this error every time you try to open your vMix. This is the error that is going to come. Value of 0 is not valid for emSize. Should be greater than So many of you are facing this error, but most time it comes when you forget to close your internet, like when you forget to first open vMix when it is in offline mode, and then you're going to encounter this challenge. So I'm going to help you. This is a total solution. Even when you forget your internet, it will work for you. Let me disconnect this internet and then no, let me leave it. So let's dive into the solution, but remember this video is just for study purpose. And then I want to tell you this: remember to like, follow, subscribe. Don't be selfish. Share this video and give a good review. Yeah, you can still donate anything if you have. So let's dive into the video. So what you're going to do, you're going to first close your vMix. That is the first thing. This is how we close it. You either press Ctrl Alt and delete and go to task manager, or you right click down on the task bar, then you click task manager, then you come to vMix and then right click on it, end task. So when you end task, your vMix is going to close totally. So what you're going to do then, you're going to come to your file explorer. Let me first remove this. You're going to come to your file explorer, then this PC, then you come to local disk C, then you come to users, then you open your user, the one you're using, like the name of your PC, I think. When you open it, you're going to come to app data. I've been teaching you how you guys can get the app data thing, so let me hope everyone knows how to get the app data thing, because it depends. Now I'm using Windows 11. If you're not seeing app data, you're going to come to view, here view, then you come to here show. This is Windows 11, and if it is not Windows 11, if it is Windows 10, of course it still works. You will see something like hidden items. So you're going to click it to show hidden items. Now I've hid them, so you tick it, show hidden items, so you'll be able to see. Let's refresh a moment to see this app data. So you're going to open app data, then you come to local. You get my point? Let me hope we are clear. So when you come to local, you're going to find these files: studio, cost, pty. There are two. There's this one, you see, this one is empty, it is useless. So you're going to open this one, vMix. The second one, you're going to open this, the second one. So when you open the second one, open. So we are going to delete this, but this is how we delete it. I'm going to go back, like, let me hope you're seeing, go back, okay, reopen, and then delete the whole of this. When you delete it, remember you also delete it in the recycle bin. Let me empty the recycle bin. Okay, we go back. So after here, we're going to go back. Now nothing is inside here, so we are going to leave it there. So we are going to open our host folder. Many of you don't know the host folder, but the host folder is here. You come to this PC, local disk C, then you come to Windows. Let me hope you're following. Then after Windows, you're going to look for drivers. Okay, so nowadays I have issues. Drivers. A minute. Oh God. A minute. No, actually, sorry. You're going to look for after clicking this, then you come to Windows. After Windows, you're going to click System 32. System 32. After System 32, you're going to come slope a moment. My phone is disturbing. A moment. Then you come to drivers. Then after drivers, you're going to look for this, let me show you, etc. Then you're going to see the local file. Let me state it clear. This is how we are going to open this host file, but this is how you get it. Let's go back, come to local disk C, Windows, then you look for system32. This is for my slow learners. I'm sorry if it is really hectic for you. After system32, you're going to look for drivers. Where's the drivers? Okay, then you come to etc. Then we are opening this. You can double click it and open with notepad. Okay, then I'm going to upload this the host folder, the host. So when I upload it, you'll just copy and paste it here. You copy the hosts and paste them here. Let me remove the hash because it is useless. Oh Jesus, let me remove the hash. So I'm going to upload the host folder text, so you will just copy and paste. No, actually I'm going to paste them in the description. So after pasting them and editing that, you're going to save your file. Let's save it. Save. So it will just save automatically. Let me first close it and see. So when I reopen it, you're going to see that the hosts are there. So after putting those hosts there, this is what you're going to do. You're going to you're going to come here, then write frame, this frame, spellings disturb me. Let me show you. You can write Windows. We are remember, we are finishing this issue automatically. We're going to come here and Windows Defender, framework, this one. So you're going to run it. So when you open it, it will come like this. Then you're going to go to advanced settings. When you come to advanced settings, you're going to come to inbound rules. These rules, like, so mine is this one. This is the rule I have. So we are going to put this rule, but this is how you put it: inbound rules. Then you come to new rule. When you come rule, you click program. When you click program, you click next. Then you're going to select the program. You come to program files, this PC, local disk C, program files 86. Then you come to let me check the microphone if it's on. Okay, microphone, check. So okay, so you come to vMix, then you click vMix 64. So when you open it, you're going to click next. Then you click block the connection, then next. You click this, then next. Then you just type your word vMix, and then vMix. Paste it here, click finish. So when you click finish, your rule will appear here. It's blocked. And then do the same to the outbound rules. Mine is here. Come to new rule, program, then next. Choose the program. This is vMix 86. You know how to go there. Okay, then after clicking it, you click next, then block all the connection, then next, and then you name it here like there you named it, and then finish. So the rule is going to be there. After that, you're going to close that, refresh, and then you're going to come here to program. This is program data vMix. You're going to come to this PC. Okay, I'm sorry the video is long, but then you have to follow up. Then you come to, when you come to this PC, a minute. Okay, this PC. Then you're going to program data. When you come to program data, follow carefully. You're going to look for vMix. When you get vMix, we are going to remove this. So we are going to create here on our desktop a folder. We name it, create a new text document. Sorry, we call it video. Only that. Small letters. Video. Video. So you're going to delete this, the video you find here, delete it. Also delete it in the recycle bin. So you're going to just drag and drop this here and replace it. Okay, then refresh. So after that, don't forget to like and subscribe. After that, everything is done. Like, guys, let me open our vMix. You're going to see. Let me open our vMix.